This is a quick review for your test tomorrow. Just know that in order for me to have congruent polygons, there's theorems I need to know. There's I'll say yes they do prove and no they don't. There's SSS, SAS, AAS, and ASA. Over here this does not prove. SSA and AAA do not prove. One more that you need to know is HL. This proves congruency, this doesn't. I'll show you some examples of a few. If I give you two triangles like this is one triangle and this is another. If I tell you that this angle is congruent to this angle, this side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side, I know that I have S, A, S. Now, ask me, why don't I do this? Why don't I do this? Because this A is in between these two S's, just like this angle is in between these two tick marks. Okay, for SSA it would look like this. I have a triangle, I have an angle, and I would have a side and another side over here. Notice how this angle is not in between these two sides. Remember, in a proof has a statement and a reason. This is what you know and why you know it. So remember that whenever you do a proof, you start off with what you're given, and that's always first. Okay? Then you start listing the things you know, and you end with what you need to prove. So you start with what you're given, and then you end with what you need to prove. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just need to understand those congruency statements and those postulates.